the collectibles leader that continues to push the boundaries of play, wonder, and imagination. 3-0 presents 1/6 scale Masked Rider Fig Zero Cyclone number 2. The packaging is an art piece of its own, featuring still images of the transformed Cyclone in various forms on both sides of the box. This is truly an engineering marvel. It feels like 3-0 had a ray gun and shrunk down the real Cyclone. This features front and rear suspensions with zinc alloy parts that feel cool to the touch. The materials feel weighty and high-end. The headlights and brake lights turn on and off with the quick press of a button. Fig Zero Cyclone number 2 is available at 30hk.com.